Trail, not rails of trails.
It's like rains fall.
Yeah. No.
Mom, does camera look good? Is it facing the right way?
Yeah.
All right.
Rails of trails.
Yeah.
Hi.
It's like different.
I like see the light.
I mean, I thought it was around this area, but it might not be. You ready to hike, guys? Gotta be a goat. You know what? I'm running this whole hike. 3, 2, 1.
Watch out, there's ice. Don't slip.
Whoa. Now it's slipping.
Fada.
Don. Oh.
Rip Min.
That must be an instant.
MTA.
Ooh, he's smoking.
Did you see my foot? Oh.
Wait, is that ice?
Where? Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, coming through the cracks.
Whack.
In the rails. Alright, you guys gotta be real careful. Because as I said, there's like the chutes.
Where are the chutes?
It's like parts where like the path is dug out for the water to go down.
Yeah.
So like you could fall off it really easy if you're not careful. I'll go first, I guess. Look, there's clay. Where is the other way, Mom?
Yeah, we actually marked it. This way Dad had wanted us to go, but
Should we go this way?
it just takes longer.
What do you guys think?
I don't know.
You want
It's
to be more
safer that
dangerous
way.
or less dangerous?
Less dangerous.
Yeah, let's go this way then.
Less?
After all the work of climbing up these steps that aren't steps anymore.
I just don't know if we'll make it to see the waterfall, you know?
I mean,
We don't have to go high up, right?
yeah, we don't have to go
We
high.
could go that way then.
Okay. Now we gotta go back up the steps.
Come on.
Joe figured it out.
We just won't do the more difficult. We'll just go to the water.
Yeah. Then we can get back before the fire burns out. Cause I'm hungry now.
Well, we can go eat
I
and
scratch
when
my
we're done
leg
here.
up?
We'll
No,
go
I
get something to
didn't.
eat. Then we'll stop at the store.
I wanted to get liquid ass for Christmas, but my mom wouldn't let me.
Why?
I don't know. Mom, why wouldn't you let me get it?
I wonder why.
I said I would bring it to the locker room and spray it around.
You get in trouble.
I could spray it in people's lockers, like through the little holes.
Like people that you don't like.
No, just everyone in general.
Like bad.
One spritz for everyone. Why are you
If you
hitting
do
me?
that to my locker, I would kill you.
You'd be like, I know who did this.
Yeah.
Now it feels like I hurt my leg.
No, you probably did.
It's a little red. I don't know how I did that. I don't think I hit anything on my leg.
Probably twisted it.
No? It's bleeding a little bit.
Is it?
Yeah, I guess something must have poked me.
Your slip was funny in video.
I know. Like you just see the camera just like face completely upwards, and then it just shakes a lot, and then it like you see someone's shoe. I want to go up there. Take picture. Grab onto the tree. Oh, are we going all the way up? Or is Joe just gonna be different? Here, slide down like here. There's a route for you to put your feet on. Do you?
Ready?
Yep. What the heck? Alright. So like this. Look, close broken bottle. Slow and steady. Or you could go that way and just step down the like rocks. This is very cool. Look, cave.
With this plant.
I know, I'm just kidding. It's got thorns though.
I fell and I started sliding like a little bit and I was like sliding down like an action movie.
Watch out over here. It's like, yeah, there's a little bit of knot rock.
Like I was holding on to the tree, as soon as I let go of the tree, I slipped.
I think one of them is up here. One of the drops. One of the shoots. That's not really a shoot, but alright. No, there's just like, I'm talking about the hole in the path.
I remember this.
Yeah, this is where we found the snake that one time. Watch the edge. Me first, me first.
I'll catch you.
It's up here. One of them is.
This path is getting kind of narrow.
Yeah, I know. Huh? Alright.
Hey, can you get a close up of that?
Huh?
This tree, baby.
Hold on. I can't really. Oh, this one.
I was like, what, 1%?
Wow.
No. Now it's telling me lap 10.
Me first, me first.
Avery first. Avery first.
Caution, slippery rocks. Good to know, good to know. Yeah, that looks cool as hell. That's cool. Do you see that?
What?
Hold on, I'm gonna try and get to it. This whole thing is ice.
It was at like 35%.
Huh?
Take photos of your footage, send them to yourself.
Yeah.
You ran out of battery or else it's too cold.
Are we gonna go a little higher? Watch that ice, Joe. It might be thin.
On this side, it's probably just thin. It's super thick over here. Thank you.
Are we gonna go higher?
Yeah. Dude, that rock looks like it's ready to fall out.
Yeah, a little bit. Was it last year Quinn and Dad went to climb the waterfall? The ice climb? I think it was last year, right? Yeah, it was last year, I'm pretty sure. Joe, it's easier to go this way. Unless you're just trying to check it out.
It makes this like really cool like photo stuff.
Yeah. All right. 1 foot here, right? And then push off, and then put your other foot there. Yeah, climbing's pretty fun.